Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to video lectures class 4 subject English lecture number 4 contents introduction explanation. I will explain how to compose a picture. Picture composition. At the end, you will compose a picture with me. Introduction, picture composition. You are going to observe a picture and write few sentences about it. Dear students, there are few guidelines for the picture composition. They are very helpful. Observe the picture carefully means look at the picture twice or thrice before describing it. Take your time. Note all the things. Always use present tense because picture is in front of you. You are looking at it. So use simple present or present continuous tense. First sentence will be about setting of the picture. For example, the picture is of a park, living room, garden, market, etc. When you will look at the picture carefully, you will come to know it is a park or a market or a garden. Describe the people means their physical description, what they are wearing, how they are looking, their emotional appearance, they are sad, they are happy. Animals, for example, there is a big dog, there is a cute little puppy. What they are doing means actions by people or animals. They are walking, jumping, playing. Note all the things means objects. If there is a clock on the wall or a picture, table or chair, note all these things and describe them. Conclude it with it is a sad, funny, nice or an interesting picture. These points are very helpful dear students. Always use them when you are composing a picture. Dear students, I have chosen a very easy picture for you. Look at the picture carefully and describe it. First, look at the setting of the picture. Picture of a library. Now note people, things in the picture. 3 children, an apple or it could be a paperweight, an indoor plant, books, notebook, pen, cupboard. Now note actions in the picture. Reading, writing, smiling, enjoying. Conclude it like this, a nice picture. Now let's move and make the sentences. Okay, first sentence should be like this. This is the picture of a library. Yes, there are many books. They are arranged properly in the cupboard. There are 3 children in this picture. 2 of them are reading. They are looking very happy. They are enjoying reading. This is their emotional appearance. One boy is writing something in his notebook. There is an apple or a paperweight on the book. There is also an indoor plant in the library. It is a nice picture. Dear students, I hope you have learned how to compose a picture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.